In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim recording Zoom. We're focusing on trimming a cloud recording using Zoom's built-in tools, so you can share a cleaner, more focused playback without re-editing or re-uploading the file. Start by signing in to the Zoom web portal in your browser. Once you're in, head to the Recordings area and locate the meeting you want to edit. If you have a lot of recordings, use the date filters or search by topic to find it quickly. When you see the session you want, click the video thumbnail to open the recording in Zoom's player. From the player, click Add to Zoom Clips. This moves you into the Zoom Clips interface, where you can safely edit the playback without changing the original source file. Next, go to the Trim Video tab. You'll see a timeline with handles at the beginning and end of your recording. Drag these sliders to set your new start and end points. If you need precise control down to the second, look for the small arrow buttons that nudge the sliders more finely. Take your time here. Zoom in on the timeline if available, and use the preview to confirm you're selecting exactly what you want viewers to see. If you need to remove parts from the middle, you can add or delete sections in this trimmed version. This is helpful for cutting out breaks, off-topic moments, or sensitive content. Make each cut cleanly and preview the transitions so the playback feels smooth. When you're satisfied, click Trim and then confirm by clicking Trim again. Zoom will begin processing your changes. You may see a notification that the trimming is in progress. Processing times vary based on the length of your recording, so it's normal to wait a bit. Once processing is complete, the cloud recording link will play the trimmed version by default. That means anyone you share the link with will only see the refined playback you just created. If you ever need to undo your edits, you can restore the original untrimmed version from the same area later. One important note: trimming affects playback for shared cloud recordings only. If someone downloads the video, they might still get the full original file. If you want to control exactly what viewers see, share the cloud link and consider limiting downloads in your sharing settings. That's it. You've trimmed your Zoom cloud recording quickly and safely, and your audience will only see the parts that matter.